Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Alright, let's begin. When you send a snap photo to your Snapchat friends, look at the right side of the screen where you see several options. At the bottom, you will notice an infinity symbol inside a circle. Tap on it, and then change your snap visibility from infinity to a specific number of seconds. After setting the time limit, share your snap. Once your friend views it, they will not have the option to save your snap, since the visibility is restricted to the time you selected. Now, if you are sending a video as a snap, the process is almost the same. Instead of keeping the visibility at infinity, set the video visibility to one time only. This ensures that once your friend views the video, it disappears and cannot be saved. By adjusting these visibility settings, you can easily prevent others from saving your snaps and videos on Snapchat. So that's basically how you can stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.